$10,000 a month using business credit. That is a very great question. So let's get into it for edutainment purposes only.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Hey, peace family, what's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel. If it's your first time here, I do talk a lot about business credit. I talk about ways to make money online. I am no financial advisor. I am no attorney. I'm just a brother sharing information with you that can plant seeds, hopefully, to actually give you access to generational wealth. If you're interested in that, please make sure to share, like, and subscribe. Please, it is much appreciated. All right, $10,000 a month using business credit. That is a very great question. Let me say this. I ain't got no tricks for you. I don't have no tricks for you. Cause on a consistent basis, let's be honest, I'm working on that myself. But for what I have seen, my experience with, let's start here, running Facebook ads. Let me backtrack. Some of you may not be familiar with business credit, right? So a lot of successful people that you actually see running ads online, or successful people actually with successful online businesses, a lot of them, what they're doing is they have a budget and they have a bag behind them that they're running ads with. So you may be actually seeing stuff online time and time again, and then finally you give in, like, man, let me go see what this video is about. Let me see what this person is talking about. And typically it takes a minimum of like a 7 contact time for somebody to actually go in and purchase with you and buy with you, because they know, like, and trust you. So that's important. Know, like, and trust. 7 time minimum contact that people have to have in order to value you and trust you to actually purchase some stuff from you. So that's one. But business credit is simply the same way individual can build a credit profile, a business can build a business credit profile with an EIN number, employee identification number from the IRS, just like individuals have a social security number. But the business creates its own profile, its own phone number, its own address, things of that nature. And if you want a more detailed step-by-step video, please click the link up above and I will break down it to you. And it's like 40 or 50 minutes long, so it's for people who are really serious about wanting to actually get their business to the next level. So let me get back on topic. So boom, they have this, and then they get credit cards and lines of credit with their business. So what that enables them to do is it frees up their personal, to where they don't have to maximize their personal credit and their personal saving to actually get traffic, run ads, do marketing, buy supplies and stuff that they need for their business, because it's separate. Okay. So the goal really in starting that is that your business is a person, it's a separate person. Legally, it is a person. Okay. So with that being said, you're building credit with another person, and there's a way to merge the two, the individual and the business, which is called a personal guarantee. In most cases, it actually wants the individual to guarantee the business. It's simply, in layman's terms, it's very similar to a cosign. If you're co-signing for your girlfriend's or sister's car or something like that, or your mama or whatever, you're co-signing. So personal guarantee, look at that as a co-signer for your business. I got 2 takes on this. One, if you're in a position to not have them two be together, then that is the preferred method to move with. However, a lot of us, our business may not be cash flowing yet, or our business may be new, or for whatever reason, we don't have anything else other to leverage than the personal credit. And a personal credit can jumpstart you with that business if you need to personal guarantee you, but you will be held liable for things if you do that. But it does take good credit to even do that. So I'm not telling you to do it or not. I would say that I came across when I was starting, and I did personal guarantee some stuff, but moving forward, the way I understand things now is like, you want to be separate as possible, but your business needs to be making money, and you have to have something to leverage in order to do that. Okay, so not everybody's in that position. So your goal is to make money out here. So when you have a business credit card with $1,000, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, you can actually begin to drive traffic, whether it's Facebook ads, whether it's Google ads, or YouTube, Instagram, whatever. You're driving ads to a particular product, service, or niche, primarily, hopefully, a sub niche. Okay, So if you're somebody who's how to lose weight, maybe you're doing like how to lose weight on a keto diet or something like that. And you know, health, wealth, love, spirituality, I'll say, are maybe the top 4 or so. Health, wealth, and love for sure, but spirituality, you kind of tap into that. They're kind of the 4 top niches to kind of be in, especially because there's a big emotional attachment to health, because either it's life or death, or somebody just wants to lose weight, or they want to get buff and feel swole, whatever. You know, everybody wants to be loved. You know, you want to be in tune with God or the creator. Everybody want to get money, so it's some type of strong emotional attachment to all of these different niches, and they're very powerful. So once you find your lane and your niche, you want to be in creating content. You can create content for free, but create a lot of content around this on a consistent basis. Also, you can actually double down and drive traffic to what are you doing, the stuff you're doing as well. So when you get to the point where you have products and services, whether you're doing affiliate marketing or you have your own product or service, you have your own course, you have just stuff that is beneficial to people, you can either sell $1,000 course to 10 people, or you can sell $100 ebook to 100 people. But that is it's going to depend on your budget, it's going to depend on your time, it's going to depend on your niche, and it's going to take some time to figure it out. When I started running ads on Facebook, I was doing it to actually pick up properties, to wholesale properties and flip properties, and that right there is probably one of the most real estate, flipping real estate is one of the biggest pieces of like a product or a service that you can actually sell, you know what I mean? So it may be easier for you to get traffic and stuff. For me, I spent thousands of dollars, I got a few deals off of it, but I burned a lot of money doing the process of testing, because sometimes it takes a lot of testing to figure stuff out. But there's a lot of free information on YouTube to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads. And if you have an established business credit, and say my minimal thing is, if you can get to a point where you spend $1 and you're making $3, or you spend $1,000 and you're making $3,000, you good money. But for somebody who may be more savvy, you know, of course you want to maximize it, you know what I mean? So if you can spend $1 and make 5, spend $1 and make 7, 8, 9, 10, then that's kind of where you want to be. But if you got a bag behind you and you understand marketing, and some people are seeing you at least 7 times, and you're consistently providing value and content to the community, and you're driving traffic, you can make money from YouTube. You can make money on Instagram being a social influencer, or you can just have a product or service. And people don't even you don't have to see my face, but you got to provide value. You got to know your market. You know, I can know your demographics. So my bad for the clickbait. I just want to tell you, like, I don't care if you selling plates, you selling food right now, you selling essential items right now that you need, that people need, survival stuff. Look, and if you are starting a business, start you an essential business. We see how important it is now. Or start you a service-based business that's essential. I would say in the lane, in where my mind is, survival, health. Even one of my good friends of mine has a non-profit where he helps people grow food. He helps people start gardens. In my opinion, that's some of the most valuable things we need to get back to, is actually farming and growing our own food. You know, people package up water and sell it. I'll leave it at that. If somebody can make money from packaging up water, which is a natural resource, and selling it and sustaining their family legacy, then how could you use business credit to actually market to people and other businesses for your services? So that's one reason to get business credit, to get funding. And the market is different, the market is shifting. And I didn't mean to make this video too long or to be too clickbaity, but I want to say that it's possible out here to do it. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.